I've got a really interesting lesson for you today, and it's simple and highly effective. It's how to create a promotion. So I'm going to show you what a promotion would look like. Here we go. So there's the Google My Business, and you see products features high. So I definitely always say get some features in there, but look at this. This is a you can make a coupon code and make an offer, and it's really super easy. So let me show you how to do it. You go to your hamburger menu, and by now the internet, Google would have understood that you use it a lot, so it will be in your hamburger menu. Otherwise, go directly to Google My Business. You pick your business. You may only have one in this section, but we've got lots because we look after lots of people. And I reckon I'll do this in under a couple of minutes. You create post. Now, you need to know how to make an image. We recommend Canva, and maybe we'll do at the end of this course a little crash course on Canva. I already pre-arranged my Canva. You can see that there it is, a 20% off if you need any help with social media, one-off situation rather than ongoing. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I put it up. The title might be one-off payment for your SEO. Start it today, finish it at the end of the month, just for fun, and I press publish. But before you press publish, put in some offer details. I've put that it's a short period of time, what the offer entails. I think you could add up to 600 words there. You can put a voucher code. It might just be, say, ends in May or something cute. Definitely put something there. And for terms and conditions, I like putting no T's and C's. People like that. And you press publish, and that truly is it. It's one of the most underused things on Google My Business, and I don't understand why. It stays there for a couple of weeks and it will disappear. So you're going to need to keep updating them. And of course, after the offer is finished, that's it. You need to just do a new one. People love products, promotions, placement. It's good old classic marketing. So on to the next lesson, but I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's short, sharp, and sweet.